by Catherine Tynan. Catherine Tynan was an Irish-born writer, and here, of course, it is selected because of not the Irish-born writer, but the women. Their difficulties are very different from Indian women. No, of course, it's wrong. Every women, even in the India or in the America, what the way we go, what the way we select, women are women, and so our elders, writers stressed that women must be given in a special status because women is next for the godliness. God sent a mother instead of his presence every way, and so women is given a rich status in the society, whereas in action it's quite different. Okay, we never bother about the society or something like that. Just we learn what Catherine Tynan now stressing about the women. Women, of course, plays a major role in the family. Without women, there is no family at all. Of course, we can't say that the only women, but women plays the major role. And of course, men too. Where exactly here I want to give a clarification. Among the women, man is they, women. So don't think that there is no man. Who plus man makes women. Of course, without man there is no women, and women of course want the boosting the power of a man. Without the power of the man, women will become a powerless. That is batteryless, of course, chargingless. So to have a original meaning for a woman, there must be a man. Exactly, we are going to learn in our future days what the original is. For instance, what I want to share today is women, any woman is a woman. Don't say that my mother is special, I am special, but we are very special for the society. We can't imagine that. Yes, of course, women is prominent at every instance and every moment. A woman role is so peak. Without women there may be no life. Right from coming, arising from the bed, we need the support of the women at every instance until the night we get into the bed. So, in our situations, what we are passing on, women plays a major role. That's what women, Catherine Tynan focuses about. And let's go through the lines. The first passage, if we read, the first lines, I am the pillar of the house, the keystone of the archman. Am I arch, gummam. Gummam lekunda illu undadu. Yes, it's one of the key point while constructing the house. Yes, I am the pillar of the house. Women is one of the pillar of the house. Pillars. Before constructing all plan, a good engineer plans in a small area to construct a good house. For that reason, he makes his views, his ideas to have a towers. For this towers, what he do is just erect the pillars. On the pillars he makes the building in a good state of condition. So if the one says the building is good enough in looking bright and everything, the back is the pillar. Do remember that. If the pillars are strong enough, exactly building will good in a good sense. We the contract lecturers are the pillars for the college. That is, college never steps up or down. They won't hang. Exactly, I used to call as hanging pillars, because we must go from one area to others. If the regulars comes in our place, we are supposed to move to the other area, and so we are said to be hanging pillars. Pillars, exactly, they won't hang. If the pillars is good enough, they stand in erect, then only the building will be brightened, thickened, and so-called energetic, good looking. So, if we come to the poetry, women is similarized to the pillar. Pillar of the house, the keystone of the arch, arch in the sense, the main gumam, the main point, the prominent point of the house. Once again we must go to the engineer. If according to the so-called sayings, what they guide is, here you must be in this situation, in this condition, the house must be here. Agneyamlo idundoddu, ikkada idi vettoddu. See, all the directions is given by the priest. No doubt we are supposed to mind them, yet we can't restrict not to be in that. Before constructing the house, all are taken into consideration. Everybody says that is good enough, this is not so good, and this may be too good for you. Like this, many number of words will come from all the surroundings. Just we are supposed to take care, because our building must be strong enough, good enough, and for the several generations the house must be in a good condition. That is the view in constructing the house. Similarly, while selecting mother, a girl, when she is brought up in a good nature, you all the girls who are listening, have the view on it. If you are brought up in a good condition, you will be good enough in your growth. And while all the evils, all the circumstances makes you into, chase you into worse states, then no doubt we are going to be in a worse state, where it's very hard for you to have a nice lady or something like a good women. Anyhow, women is a woman, either good or bad, she is very necessary for the society. Good women will give the good children, and the worse women will give a worse future for the worse state. So it's very important to notice that girls must be very active, very intelligent, very brilliant, because the future, the generations are depend upon the women. Coming to the poem, what she says is here, the pillar, I am the pillar. Anybody we can say that I am the boost for my house? Because we are not boosting our families. We are not coming across the what we are expected for. And so we are not able to say such word today. I am the pillar of the house. This is the word from the mother. Our mothers will say this because they are all experienced in such a way. They are the pillars and the keystone for the arch eye. Take me away and roof and wall would fill to ruin me utterly, would fall to ruin me utterly. See, if the roof or the wall, what may the damage comes to it, arrives to it, it shows that it is going to be collapse. If the wall or certainly if it is given crack, what the engineer feels? Exactly, he must make it in a next step, a repair. It unders a repair. Exactly, the wall must be in a good condition, making several steps. Okay, here mother must be in a good condition. Roof and wall is strong enough because of the appearance, similar to the mother. If mother is good enough, the total family will be very good and energetic. If mother is sick, we can't say anything well. We are supposed to have to take care about our mother first. Coming to the second stanza, I am the fire upon the hearth, I am the light of the good sun, I am the heat that warmeth the earth, which else were colder than a stone. See here, a woman, a homely woman mother, she similarized to her views. That is, she is the fire on the earth in the sense. For all the needs and deeds of their children, she will be like a warm. During spring seasons, we all suffer with all the chillness or something. To forego this cold and chillness, our mother will act as a fire. That is, in our daily activity, mother will feed us in a good mode, giving what we need. The necessities, what we feel, are filled with our support of our mother. So, she is the fire and the light of the good sun. So look at the sun, it's giving very bright. Similarly, mother also brighten the house. I am the heat and the warmth of the earth, which else were colder than a stone. See, the heat, the warmness, because of the stone. Stone here is a mother. While mother is turning herself into fire, the warmth, the coldness, all these situations are coming for the mother, and she is facing each and every situation of the fire, the spring, the so-called warmth, everything. All these conditions are suitable for the only mother. She faces each and every struggle and gives her children a satisfiable, a pleasurable life. That's what any woman covers about. So, women is a woman who shares each and every. Yes, she is also similarized for the candle. As the candle glows and glows, the lighting will be more enough in the finishing up of the candle. At this last stage of the candle, it gives much brightness. The more brightness what it shows is, it is going to be finished. Until the end point, the candle is going to be lightening. Similarly, mother, up to her end of her life, she want to give the brightness for the family, to the family, and the total world of a mother is none but the family, the children. Within the family and the children, she searched a new world.